A lack of child care, one of the biggest challenges keeping Iowans from returning to work. This issue existing long before the pandemic, but COVID is making the problem worse.
Indeed it is. Iowa officials recently taking steps to improve child care. Local 5's Rachel Droz spoke to providers who say there is still a lot of work left to be done.
Stephanie, Samantha, that is right, but it's not going to be an easy fix. Providers tell me there needs to be big investments into Iowa's child care system before more high-quality, affordable facilities start opening. Early childhood education, while rewarding,
I hope we're not trying to climb on that.
Is a lot of work. That's why providers like JEANNINE LAUGHLIN with New Horizons Academy says it's tough to keep instructors when the field doesn't pay well.
A majority of our teachers here in this building are working at pay levels below the poverty level, so they aren't even making a livable wage.
Iowa getting $270 million in federal pandemic relief that's specifically earmarked for child care. The state has started allocating some of that funding. It's being used to increase child care assistance rates, extend stipends to help speed up COVID recovery efforts, and enhance programs aimed at retaining child care workers. But some advocates wonder, why not push through more money?
Iowa lost 33% of its child care workforce in the last 5 years. So we're in a situation where the pandemic has made that even worse. So we need to pull out all the stops, invest the money so that parents can get back to work.
Advocates say they are happy with steps that have been taken, but think the state needs to overhaul the entire child care system.
It is a place for bold action, and bold action is probably going to require us making financial commitments.
We're going to have to step out of the box, be creative, figure out what is it going to take to really see change so these systems can start working.
Now, there are some issues that didn't get covered this past legislative session. One of those that people wanted to see get through was raising the eligibility requirements for child care assistance. Samantha, back to you.
Rachel, thank you. The Iowa legislature passed a number of child care bills this session. Now, among those, allowing another school-age child at all in-home child care centers. They also address child care tax credits. Families making $90,000 a year are eligible. Before the cut was $45,000.